Good evening, my dear student. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Welcome in my today video. This is the chapter number 4, class 9 of chemistry. We are discussing the chapter number 4, structure of the atom, and the topic is the isotope. Today we are going to discuss the characteristics of isotope. Characteristics. What are the importance or what are the characteristics of isotope? Let us start. So the physical properties of the isotopes of an element are different. This is due to the fact that isotopes have different number of neutrons in their nuclei. Hence mass, density and other physical properties of the isotopes of an element are different. Second, all the isotopes of an element have the same number of valence electron. Third, all the isotopes of an element have identical chemical properties. We know that all the isotopes of an element contain the same number of electrons. So they have the same electronic configuration with the same number of valence electrons. Since the chemical properties of an element are determined by the number of valence electrons in its atom, all the isotopes of an element have identical chemical properties. Point number first, the physical properties of the isotopes of an element are different. Point number second, all the isotopes of an element have the same number of valence electrons. Point number third, all the isotopes of an element have identical chemical properties. So this is the characteristics of isotopes. Let us now discuss the applications of isotopes. What are the applications of isotope? My dear student, let us understand the applications of isotope. Let us see. Now we see the applications. What are the applications of isotopes they bear? What are the applications the isotopes hold? So the applications within the isotopes have are like this. So the applications of isotopes. Applications of isotopes. What are the applications of isotopes? Let us see the applications of isotopes. Some of the uses of isotopes are listed below. Some of the uses of isotopes are listed below. We can see the some applications of isotopes. First, uranium isotopes. Uranium isotope. Uranium isotope U-235. U-235 is used in nuclear reactor. To produce nuclear energy. Second application, isotopes are used to locate cracks in metal castings. Metal casting. So isotopes are used in metal. Isotopes are used to locate cracks in metal casting. Third application. An isotope of sodium isotope of sodium, that is Na24, has been used to diagnose has been used to diagnose restricted circulation of blood. Circulation of blood. The fourth application, the four uses. Cobalt isotope. Cobalt isotope CO60 is used to remove brain. Is used to remove brain. Is used to remove brain tumors. Tumors too, and in the treatment of and in the treatment of and in the treatment of certain and in the treatment of certain types of cancer. Certain types of cancer. And the last one, not the least, an isotope of iodine has been an isotope of iodine has been used in the treatment of certain thyroid complication. Certain thyroid complications. So these are the uses. These are the uses of isotopes. These are the uses of isotopes we already discussed, and right now we also discuss it here. So these are the things. These are the things you have to keep in your mind. These are the things you always be remembering in your mind, my dear student. So let us understand it in the clear way. Let us understand in the clear concept. So the applications of isotopes. Some of the uses of isotopes are listed below. The first uses, uranium isotope uranium U-235 is used in nuclear reactors to produce nuclear energy. Second application, isotopes are used to locate cracks in metal castings. Third application, isotope of sodium Na24 has been used to diagnose restricted circulation of blood. Fourth is cobalt. Cobalt isotope CO60 is used to remove brain tumors and in the treatment of certain type of cancer. And the fourth is an isotope of iodine has been used in the treatment of certain thyroid complications or goiter. You can see that. So these are the things you have to understand it in the clear concept. Let us understand the few things more, my dear student. The isobars. What are isobars? Let us understand the isobars. What do you understand by the isobars? Right now we also discussed today the isobars. are not going to make the chapter too lengthy. So it should be right now we are going to discuss the isobars. What do you understand by the isobars? So my dear student, let us read the different things. Isotopes and isobars are very important. These two topics always be important for you in the future of class 11, 12 in graduation also. So I think so isotopes may be important, and you always keep in your mind what is the isobar. Let us read the isobars. So let us look it. There are atoms of different elements. There are atoms of different element. There are atoms of different elements with a different atomic number. With different atomic numbers, but having the same. But having the same atomic mass. Atomic mass. These different elements are called. These different elements are called isobars. Isobars. So these are the things are called isobars. Isobars. For example, let us take the example of isobar. Argon, potassium and calcium. जितना बोला जा रहा है उतना करो ना, तो घर से निकलो। जो बोला कि आप करो ना, घर से निकलो। Isobars. The things is that there, the element, element, atomic mass, बताएंगे तुम लोग को वीडियो कंप्लीट हो। आर्गन, कैल्शियम, पोटासियम, आर्गन, कैल्शियम, पोटासियम एंड कैल्शियम, 40, 40 and 40, 40, 18, 19 and 20 element, argon, potassium and calcium, 40, 40 and 40. But atomic number is 18, 19 and 20. 18, 19 and 20. These are the things. So my dear students, since the atom of this element have the same atomic mass, since the atom of these elements, आवाज अगर साउंड नहीं बना उठा उठा के फेंकना शुरू कर देंगे सबको। Have the same, काम होता नहीं है, same atomic mass, the sum of the number of protons, sum protons and neutrons must be the same. Protons and neutrons present in the nucleus in the nucleus is also called nucleon. is also called
घुमा के देखो, खा के देखो उसका
all nucleons. क्यों यहाँ हल्ला कर रहे हो?
चुप रहो तुम। बहुत वीडियो बनाने वाला बना, खाया ठासा वीडियो बनाना शुरू हो गया।
Nucleons.
बाद में वीडियो नहीं बना सकता।
The total number of nucleons is the same.
काम में धंधा है, बस कि एकदम बड़का वीडियो बना के माहिर हो रहा है।
That's the
क्या क्या
total
लिखा?
number of nucleons
आज बड़ा खा गए नहीं? मोरे ने मुंह पे करो।
nucleons is the same in the atoms of isobaric elements.
जी नहीं।
Isobaric elements. They differ in atomic numbers.
बंद करना।
They differ in atomic numbers due to the presence of different number of protons different number of protons
हाँ नहीं।
their nuclei. So these are the things. Let us start the isobars. There is some disturbance in the video, but don't keep in the mind. Just be concentrated on the study. There are atoms. There are atoms of different elements. Atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers, but having the same atomic mass. Different element with different atomic number but same atomic mass. These different elements are called isobars. So argon, potassium and calcium are isobars. Element are there, argon, potassium and calcium. Atomic mass is 40, 40, 40. But atomic number is 18, 19 and 20. So these are the things here. Since the atom of these elements have the same atomic mass, the sum of the number of protons and neutrons must be the same. Protons and neutrons present in the nucleus is also called nucleons. Thus the total number of nucleons is the same in the atoms of isobaric elements. They differ in atomic numbers due to the presence of different number of protons in the nuclei. So thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Give more views, like and share. Also subscribe my channel and come to the channel and join it to learn the chemistry in the simple and easy step. Thank you for watching. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Thank you all of you. Take care.